How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I've got a beauty of a dish this week. French, old, classic French dish. Chicken fricassee. It's like a braise action stew. You saute your meat, get it nice and brown, and then you braise it. You cook it in a white sauce, and you add some vegetables. It's really, really nice. It's good with pasta, mashed potato, roast potatoes, boiled potatoes, simple veg. I use the chicken thighs from ButcherBox, and I highly recommend ButcherBox. And if you haven't seen me unboxing, I'll put a link, or I'll put it at the end of the video, and check it out, because they do some fantastic meat. All the information about ButcherBox is down below. I highly recommend it again, and you will not be disappointed. So enjoy my version of chicken fricassee. Thanks, guys. First, dice celery, carrot, onions, and garlic. For the mushrooms, I'll be using King Trumpet. They're meaty, sweet, and buttery. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken thighs. Add plain flour to a bowl. Transfer the chicken. Add salt and pepper. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Mix well, shake off the excess. Add to the pan. Now cook until golden brown. When brown, transfer the chicken to a plate. Next, add all the ingredients to a pan. Followed by salt. Now sweat until soft. Add bay leaf, white wine, and reduce by half. Add stock. Transfer the chicken back to the pan. Now cook in a medium heat for about 40 minutes. At the end, add mustard, cream, tarragon, green onion, and lemon zest. Mix well and keep warm. Optional, but for a side, I made green onion and tarragon pancakes. It's also great with rice, mashed potatoes, vegetables, roast potatoes. I could go on. So there you have it, my delicious fricassee. So simple, so good. Look at that chicken. Pancake, that sauce. I love the tarragon and green onion pancake. That's optional. Everything just works.